Hey guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in. This is my 2017 Sportster 883 iron. Just want to show y'all a quick how-to on flipping the mirrors. You've probably seen some bikes have their stock mirrors underneath the handlebars, which look like this. It's a really simple, easy mod. Doesn't cost anything. All you have to do is unbolt this. I think it's a 13mm socket or wrench, and just take it out. And so what will happen is the right mirror will go onto the left side underneath, and vice versa, the left mirror will go underneath on the right side. Now I've already taken this mirror out. All you have to do is stick it from underneath over here. Show you all how to take out this one. Real simple, just take your socket if it fits. Now you may run into a problem like I am. The bolt is pretty hard to reach because of the turn signal. All you have to do is take your screwdriver with the hexagonal end, I think that's what it's called, and you just loosen this up with your screwdriver and it just falls out like that. And then now you have room to loosen this bolt. So now that the right mirror is out, I'm gonna put this aside, bring the left mirror, and install this underneath. Now you don't want to tighten it all the way, because at the end what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit on the bike and straighten it up. And you have to make sure that when you turn the handlebar all the way to the right or left, that the mirrors do not touch the tank, though at least like, you know, having a finger width length apart. Let me go ahead and do the left side. Now that you have both mirrors on, next step is to sit on the bike and straighten the handlebar out, and now turn all the way. So as you can see, this side is good. Let's check the other side. That side is good as well. You can go ahead and tighten up the bolts. After that, you can go ahead and reinsert your turn signals here and make sure that they're facing forward the right way, and then they tighten up. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Simple, easy, doesn't cost anything, and it completely changes the look of your bike. Gives a little bit more of a aggressive look. You don't have some tacky looking mirrors sticking out from the top. It really gives it a cleaner look, and I would highly recommend. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's probably gonna be my first video on my channel, but I plan on doing some more installs, more videos on different things about my bike. If you guys have any suggestions on future videos, if you want me to make something specific, show you all something specific, then let me know down in the comments. Please stay tuned for more videos. Make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below with any questions or anything you want me to do in the future with the bike. And yeah, thanks for watching.